So the first thing it does, like after you log in, it tells you, okay, I understand you do have the problem with financial badges. Would you like me to escalate it or contact the support, or would you like me to address it?
Right. So those two options there actually drive different directions of things. The notify support will create a ticket in the the ticketing system, and then that goes the normal route.
So in this case, let's say like, no, I want you to help me. So once I do that, it goes in and it checks the condition of the batches.
Yep.
In this case, we have like few batches with the problems. We give you the quick summary of what they are, and kind of like asking you, like, which batch do you want to address?
So what this chat is actually doing is not only integrating with me and interfacing with me, and we're asking it questions, but it's actually going out to the financial system, and it's looking for activity that is less than normal. So this isn't all of our batches. This is just the batches that have an issue.
So let's say we pick up the batch, and once we know which batch we want to look at, it gives us the more detailed information. Here we just displayed just few pieces of information, but you can extend it and you can have the whole card for the ticket. And in this specific flow, it's asked like, this is the ticket, do you still want me to address it? And as we all know, like, are you sure you want to delete this record, right? Mm-hmm. So in this case, yes, I want to do that.
So this is what it's doing now is it's not necessarily deleting the record, it's resetting it into a state that now I, as a user, can go in and edit that and find the issue. What was the issue? Go in and address that issue.
Yeah, and when I said about the deleting the record, I was joking. So, so in this case, it found the batch, it addressed it, and it created the ticket in the support system. So you actually have the trace of this ticket. It gives you the ticket number, the date when it was created, and kind of like, thank you for using Bob the Fixer. But it's being more proactive because it knows that you just addressed one, but there are more, and it says like, I found more. Do you want to address them now? And let's say, yeah, I'm still the person who's working like in this specific department, and I know that I do have more. So I click yes, and it goes through the similar cycle, basically does the same thing, and then addresses, fixes, and at the moment when it addresses and creates the ticket, it sends you the email as well, so you get the instant notification. I turned off my Outlook so you guys don't see all the emails that I'm getting at the moment. But in the parallel, you actually do that and you have it. It looks at the stats for this ticket, and it tells me, you know what, you worked on this ticket 5 times already within the 7 days. Something is wrong with it. Like, do you want me to escalate it to support team? And in this case, I say, yeah, I do. So what it does, it actually puts this ticket in the support queue, and it gives you the message that according to SLAs, like you should hear back like from the support team like within like 60 minutes because it's a high priority ticket. At the same time, it sends the notification to support team, to you, and everybody involved. But I wanted to show you one other thing. This Bob the Fixer actually has a lot of analytics built in as well. So what you see here is the performance of the bot and the statistics of like how many times it was addressed, what it did, and other things.